Right now, as we speak, grown adults are fighting in the streets, camping on sidewalks, and crashing websites. Not for water, food, or medicine. They are risking arrest for a $150 piece of plastic, the new Swatch Royal Pop. But why is the world losing its collective mind over a colorful quartz watch? The answer is obvious, but psychological. It's because the system cracked the code to selling you fake status. Let's state the obvious. The Royal Pop is a cheap, mass-produced plastic homage to the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, an iconic, high-end masterpiece that costs upward of $40,000, worn by rappers, hedge fund managers, and Silicon Valley elites. Swatch didn't innovate, they just democratized the silhouette. The corporate machine realized that manufacturing actual luxury is too slow, too expensive, and frankly, doesn't scale. So, why build real wealth when you can manufacture the illusion of it for pennies on the dollar? The genius and the tragedy of the modern consumer is that we don't buy products for their utility. A $10 Casio tells the time better than a $40,000 AP. We buy products to tell a story about who we are. But since 99% of the population will never afford the real thing, corporations invented a new category: synthetic status. It allows you to cosplay as a billionaire for a day. It signals to the world, look at me, I know what luxury is, even if my bank account is crying. You aren't buying a timepiece, you are renting social validation from a multi-billion-dollar conglomerate. But wait, it gets funnier. Swatch says these aren't limited editions, yet they intentionally drip-feed supply to stores. Why? Because the system feeds on your FOMO, fear of missing out. Scarcity creates desperation, and desperation creates dopamine. The secondary market is already flooded with scalpers reselling a plastic watch for 3 times its price. We've turned a basic consumer good into a financial asset because our brains are completely fried by internet hype culture. The Matrix didn't need to steal your money by force. It didn't need an authoritarian regime to make you fall in line. It just gave you a plastic strap with a famous design and let your ego do the rest. So, next time you see someone flexing their new Royal Pop, remember, they didn't beat the system. They just paid $150 to become a walking billboard for corporate irony. But hey, at least the colors are nice, right? I'm the obvious captain. Subscribe or go back to the waiting line.